is to talk about the biomechanics of a volleyball serve. In this video, we'll talk about the most common mistakes, the most common injuries, and how biomechanics can improve proper technique, prevent injury, and help the athlete play to the best of their ability.
In the first and second stages, the athlete steps with their non-dominant foot while tossing the ball up. The toss should be over in front of the dominant hitting shoulder and be arm's reach in height. Keep the elbow back and high. As we see in the coronal plane, the ball is in projectile motion. This is when the ball is projected in the air in free fall. There is an optimal angle to hit the ball over the net. Projectile speed and height also affect trajectory. The greater the speed and height, the greater the trajectory. In the final stage, the athlete hits the ball using a strong open hand and a strong wrist. The athlete hits the back of the ball with full hand contact. In the sagittal plane, we see that the serve is a positive motion due to the clockwise motion. We can also determine the angular velocity by finding the change in angle of the shoulder and elbow over the change in time. The conservation of momentum is where the momentum produced by the body at the initiation of the serve is conserved through the completion of the serve. As the ball is contacted, part of the body's momentum is transferred to the ball. Center of mass and base of support are important to keep in mind to prevent falling out of stance. An athlete needs movement variability to prevent overuse of their shoulder.
Most common injuries in volleyball serve have to do with straining the shoulder or back. This could be caused by hyperextension of the arm or an overuse of the shoulder during repetitive serving.
Most common mistakes when serving in volleyball includes flopping of the wrist where the wrist isn't firm, improper ball toss, either the toss is too short, too far to the left, or too far to the right. The arm isn't fully extended, where the ball is being hit in flexion, not following through with the motion, and improper stance.
This concludes our video. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned how to prevent injury and use proper technique using biomechanics.